Hey guys, checking out this 2020 Kia Soul. This is the GT-LINE Turbo. Just checking out the photos here, swiping over and checking them out. It looks real nice. It's just a rear impact. Doesn't look too bad. Looks like it probably need a rear hatch and a bumper cover, but interior looks real nice. Engine looks real nice. Only has 147 miles on it. Just that back hatch and that bumper cover, I'm assuming just would need to be replaced, but kind of zooming in here and checking it out. Doesn't look too bad. I'm assuming maybe we can get one of these at a dealer or something, get this thing replaced and have a pretty nice little Kia. It's kind of cool though. It's not too bad. For 147 miles, that's not bad. Let's check out the info on it. Let's see, we got here. Runs and drives, just a rear end hit. It's red. It's got the 1.6 engine in it. Not too bad. Something worth looking at here.